You want
but
to
the
lease
rents
it
are
to a laundromat operator, call me back.
I do.
Save my number.
I mean, I do, but are you willing to play ball with the thing? Like, you can't just, I'm not going to lease it for $1. Now you come back at me and give me an offer.
Time, Ed, you said what you will not do. So what will you do?
Right. What will you pay is the question.
As little as possible. I told you I'd love to pay $1 a square foot, and you're telling me what you can't do.
I could do, if you wanted it, I could do.
Ed.
Hello? Yeah.
How you been, buddy?
Hello. Good, who's this?
Oh, you hurt my feelings. You didn't save my number?
Nah.
This is Danny D'Angelo, the Laundromat guy.
Oh, what's up, bro?
Just this.
To pay per square foot. Yeah, I know who this is.
Who am I? What's that?
What's happening? I said, you're the guy that wants to pay $1 a square foot.
Well, I don't want to pay that. I want to pay whatever you want, but once I add $2.50 a square foot for equipment, I'm kind of pigeonholed.
Well, I just found my guy just sent me a text on how much money he was making there. Like he said, he did pretty well there. And he's got, he told me he had, he's sending me exactly how many machines he had in there, washers and dryer. But I can't, Dan, I can't do $1 a square foot, bro. Like that's absolutely ridiculous. Like I'm not going to rent that place for $2,000. Like that doesn't make any sense.
It isn't so bad, really, if you don't get your nose too close.
You tell me, I mean, I have lease rates in LA County at $1. You tell me what you can do. And you say your guy, you mean your tenant?
My old tenant, yeah. He moved to Oklahoma because I was asking him, like, he ended up going to Oklahoma. So he's going to send me over some of his financials.
Because you're thinking about running it. You want to run it?
No, because I got a lot of people interested in it. And people are asking, well, how many washers did he have? How many dryers? Like, I don't remember.
I never asked you any of that because I know what a laundry can make. And what he did was take the money and continue to take the money. He's going to send you the financials.
Yeah, he can put it into it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he kept it. He told me, he said, bro, it was my party money. He goes, I didn't make $1 million off of it, but it was free money for me. And he goes, I didn't care about the business. I left one little Mexican lady running it, and I collected the money once a month.
Yep.
He goes, I never even went in there. He didn't give a fuck. Yeah. He didn't give a fuck about the business. He never sold soap out of there. He never sold drinks out of there. He never did anything. He literally was just a laundromat. That's it. He could have put so many things like in there, like, I don't know, fluff and pull, whatever. I don't know that industry.
Right.
But if you want to work something out with me, I'm okay. But I definitely not going to go to $1 a square foot. I mean, he was paying close to $5,100.
So you went and robbed yourself a bank, did you? Killed a man and lost the money. Don't look like you boys got the gift for it.
And I'm not expecting to get that in today's world. But, I can't go, I mean, I could probably go up close to I could do maybe 3,800. And that still might be out of your ballpark with a 4% increase every year or something, to get it up to there.
Well, you did your research because you know that 3% is standard increases. I don't know why you would ask for 4 when 3% is standard. That seems...
It's 3. That's 3% was standard pre-COVID, buddy. Look at the rates now. Everything.
How many buildings do you own?
I don't know. A few.
Okay.
I have a few.
You want to lease it to a laundromat operator? Call me back.
I do.
Save my number.
I mean, I do, but are you willing to play ball with the thing? Like, you can't just, I'm not going to lease it for $1. Now you come back at me and give me an offer.
Time, Ed, you've said what you will not do. So what will you do?
Right. What will you pay is the question.
As little as possible. I told you I'd love to pay $1 a square foot, and you're telling me what you can't do.
I could do, if you wanted it, I could do 3,800 if you wanted to take it. There's a lot of people interested, right? I don't know why everyone's calling out of the blue works. I think there was some kind of seminar you guys had, some laundromat seminar. But all of a sudden, you just recently, right? Like something just, all of a sudden, I got every Joe Schmo that doesn't know nothing about the laundromat business calling me and wanting to do it. I said, okay. They're like, oh, they were telling me, I guess they don't have to come out of pocket for the machines, and they'll end up putting all the vendors will put in the machine. I don't know how that whole industry works, but whatever. But yeah, they're I guess there's Dexter or whatever. I don't know, but they said they'll come out and put machines in, and you just pay a monthly fee on all of them, and they guarantee them for 5 years, and blah blah blah.
You've got some potential renter telling you this.
Yeah.
Okay, but that's not true.
I got it. Yeah, I got a couple. Yeah, I got a couple of people now. They all went to the seminar. I don't know. I don't think they know what they're doing anyway.
So I can write you an LOI for $3,000, and we can do 3% increases. If we're still talking, I'll do that. The difference between me and somebody else, they're going to talk a big game, and you're not going to get the rent. So every 2 or 3 years, you're going to be throwing them out.
3,000 a square foot.
No, $3,000 a month.
I mean, for
rent. I'll figure out what it is per square foot.
Well, I can tell you what it is per square. I could just divide it.
It's obviously yes, because you're a money guy.
Well,
you're not worried about what it is per square foot. Okay, I'll send you a letter of intent.
You got my email?
No.
It's e@gmail. And when would you want it? Pardon and me? At that price, I'm not doing anything to the building. You're just going to take it the way it is. I'm not doing any. There's
Good.
no.
Then I'll ask for 12 months of free rent.
Yeah, I'm sure you will.
All right. Give me a day to put it together.
Okay, bud.
Bye. I'm sure you will. He didn't say no, though, did he?
No, he did not.
I can deal with all kinds of people. Some of them rub me the wrong way. And this he's not trying to wind me up or anybody else to this devil may care attitude, but he owns one building, I guarantee you. And I'm like, how many buildings do you own? He either snaps off 37 or he says a lot.
Stan says, I don't know a lot.
I don't know. A lot. Uh-huh. Anyway, write this dip in an LOI and 12 months abatement. He says he's not going to give you anything, but you can still ask for things to be changed because him and his nephew will go in there and do it.
Yeah. Sounds great.
It is great.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.